So by 1, y minus 0 by 1, z minus 0 by 1. So x by 1, y by 1, z by 1 all are equal. This is the line equation, always equated to lambda. The foot of perpendicular is a point on the line. It's a point on the line as well as it's a point in the plane. So now the point on the line, first our task is to get the equation of perpendicular called equation of OF. OF is a perpendicular. Perpendicular is also a what? Line segment. So first, and this foot of perpendicular lies on the line also, it is also on the plane. So substitute this 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda in the plane equation. In all the problems, the line will be in Cartesian form. What is Cartesian equation of line passing through a point? Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of three-dimensional geometry. See, in exercise 11.3, in the following cases, find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular. They want you to find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from origin. So they gave 4 different problems. For every problem, you need to find foot of perpendicular. See here, the first problem. So here, if I take a plane, they want you to draw the foot of perpendicular from the origin. From the origin, if we draw, so x and y, z axis, I'll just draft out a diagram. So now this is origin. From origin, I'll draw a perpendicular. It touches at point F. So they want you to find the foot. You know, F is also a point. Point will be in the form what? X, y, z. First, what we'll do is, we'll find the equation of perpendicular. So now, perpendicular is a line. You know, Cartesian equation of line. So that's what we'll do now. So now what we do is, so now, you know, 2, 3, 4, the quotients. So in a plane AX plus BY plus CZ, A, B, C are called as direction ratios of normal to the plane. Means direction ratios of perpendicular. So now, direction ratios of normal is also called as what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular is a normal. Normal means what? Perpendicular. So is the direction ratios. So direction ratios of perpendicular to the plane are the quotients of x, y, z. What are the quotients? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. These are the direction ratios. So now we need to write equation of the perpendicular. So equation of the perpendicular from origin. So now equation of line or perpendicular, which is perpendicular, or I will say equation of perpendicular in spite of telling the big story. So let us say equation of perpendicular. We need foot of perpendicular, equation of perpendicular. Dear students, perpendicular is also a line. So equation of perpendicular is x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Where x1, y1, z1 is point on the line, that is perpendicular. They want you to draw perpendicular from where? Origin. In the problem they told origin. So one of the point is what? Origin. So x1, y1, z1 is origin. Z1 is equal to what? Origin. What is origin? 0, 0, 0. So if I substitute, it will become x minus 0 by a. Direction ratios of normal 2, 3, 4. So we have ABC also. 2, 3, 4 are what? ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. So 2 y minus 0 by 3, z minus 0 by 4. Or I'll say x by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to z by 4. This is the perpendicular. And all are equal to some constant, say lambda. Now you can see that the perpendicular, the foot of perpendicular is a point on the line. It's a point on the line as well as it's a point in the plane. So now the point on the line the line is we'll get x, y, z from this. So equate it. So x by 2, if I equate to lambda, x is equal to 2 lambda. Similarly, y by 3, if I equate it to lambda, so y is equal to 3 lambda. So z by 4, if I equate it to lambda, so z is equal to 4 lambda. So now we got x, y, z. Therefore, the point P is equal to what? 2 lambda, comma 3 lambda, comma 4 lambda. And this is a point on the line as well as this is the foot of perpendicular, or this is a point on the line and the same point also lies on the plane. So I can say the point 2 lambda, comma 3 lambda, comma 4 lambda lies on the plane. Lies in the plane. So lies in the plane. The point is in the plane, you can see. Now you can see this is the point is in the plane. If any point is in the plane, it should satisfy plane equation. So now put this plane 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda, substitute in plane. So substitute point 2 lambda, comma 3 lambda, comma 4 lambda in what? Plane. In plane equation. What is plane equation? Plane they give 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Plane they give 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equal to 0. So in this, in the place of x, y, z, substituting a point in the plane, point na substitute ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x, y, z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನ x, y, z ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So now here, what are the x, y, z values? So here you can see this is x, this is y, this is z. Substitute x, y, z in the place of x, y and z. Now coming to this, so 2x means 2 times x is 2 lambda, 2 times 2 lambda plus 3 times 3 lambda plus 4 times 4 lambda minus 12 equal to 0. So 4 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 16 lambda minus 12 equal to 0. So 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 9, 29 lambda is equal to 12. Minus 12 goes that side. So you got lambda. What is lambda? 12 by 29. Do we need lambda? No. So we need foot of perpendicular. So the foot of perpendicular in the the foot of perpendicular is in the plane. Any point will be in the form 2 lambda, 3 lambda. So therefore foot of perpendicular. So let us call this as f instead of p. So now f foot of perpendicular 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda. Now substitute 2 lambda. What is lambda? 2 into 12 by 29, comma 3 into 12 by 29, comma 4 into 12 by 29. So now 2 12s are 24 by 29, 36 by 29, 48, 12 4s are 48 by 29. This is the foot of perpendicular. They want foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular is a point in the plane and it is a point on the line. So point on the line will be in the form what? 2 lambda, 3 lambda and for any point in the plane line will be in this form. So in order to find lambda, because the point is in the plane, if any point is in the plane, it should satisfy plane equation. We substitute, we'll get it. So procedure is simple. First pick the quotients of x, y, z. So dear students, so let me just conclude the procedure. So here, first observe the quotients of x, y, z in plane. So quotients of x, y, z in plane is what? Quotient of x is 2, quotient of y is 3, quotient of z is 4. So this 2, 3, 4 we call them as direction ratios of the perpendicular. We call them as what? Direction ratios of the perpendicular. So the perpendicular is a line. So line Cartesian form, all of you know. What is Cartesian form? X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. A, b, c values we got just now. What are a, b, c? 2, 3, 4. Substitute 2, 3, 4. And the perpendicular is drawn from origin. When you read the question, they told it is drawn from origin. So in the place of x1, y1, z1, put 0, 0, 0. Then x by 2, y by 3, z by 4. Equate each value to lambda, and then you'll get x, y, and z. And after you get x, y, and z, x is 2 lambda, y is 3 lambda, z is 4 lambda. This is the point. And you know, this is the point. Any point on the line will be in the form 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda. And when you see the diagram, the foot of perpendicular, this is the foot, and this foot of perpendicular lies on the line also, it is also on the plane. So substitute this 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda in the plane equation. What is the plane equation? 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equal to 0. In this, you substitute in the place of x, put x coordinate 2 lambda, in the place of y, put 3 lambda, in the place of z, put 4 lambda. So solve it, you will get lambda. So this is a key step. So your lambda value, if it is wrong, then foot will go wrong. So therefore, solve it carefully and get the value of lambda. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಾದರೆ ಇಡೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ lambda value. If it is correct, yes, obviously you will get. Now after you get lambda, substitute in the foot, that is 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda. In the place of lambda, put the value of lambda. What is lambda? 12 by 29, 12 by 29, 12 by 29. Substitute and you get the foot. This is the answer. This is a foot. Foot is what? Point. I hope all of you got this. Now we'll do one more problem of the same kind. So let me complete all the exercise problems using the same technique. So again, they want what? Find the coordinates of what? Foot of perpendicular. If you want to find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular, first equation of perpendicular. So now equation of perpendicular will be in the form. So first I'll write equation of perpendicular from origin to the plane. Equation of perpendicular from where? From the origin to the plane. From the origin. What is meant by origin? Origin means 0, 0, 0 to the plane. To the plane means this is suppose origin and this is your plane, and from the origin to the plane I am writing the perpendicular, and you know this is point of intersection of x axis, y axis and z axis, x, y, z. And I want first I'll create the equation of this foot of perpendicular. So let us take foot of perpendicular, f be the foot of perpendicular. First let me create foot of perpendicular. So now to create foot of perpendicular, so first perpendicular equation I'll create. I am creating equation of perpendicular. What is equation? X minus x. It's a line. What is the line equation? X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c, where a, b, c are direction ratios and direction ratios of the perpendicular, direction ratios of this line. So now you know 3, 4. See, we don't have x value here. In the plane, x is not there. So can I say given plane, I'll write given plane as 0x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. So now in this, a is 0. So that implies x minus origin. So in the place of x1, 0 by a means 0, quotient of x is equal to y minus y1 is 0 divided by quotient of y is 3, z minus 0 divided by quotient of z is 4. So now x minus 0 by 0, x minus 0 by 0 is equal to y minus 0 by 3 is equal to z minus 0 by 4 is equal to lambda. So now get the value of x, y, z. I'll take x minus 0 by 0 is equal to lambda. If I cross multiply, x will become 0. So we got x value, and y minus 0 by 3 is equal to lambda. So y is equal to 3 lambda, and z minus 0 means z by 4 is equal to lambda. That gives you z is equal to 4 lambda. Therefore, point on the line is, I'll take f, I'll assume foot only, that is 0 x value, y value 3 lambda. Point on the line is what? X, y, z. Any point in 3D will have x, y, z. Lambda, 4 lambda. This is the point. So now I got the foot of perpendicular. What is the foot of perpendicular? 0, 3 lambda, 4 lambda. 0, 3 lambda, 4 lambda. Okay, here we don't have space. So Here f is the foot and f value is what? F, we'll assume f is what? 0, 3 lambda, 4 lambda. So now, dear students, this particular point, what I am assuming is on the line. So this is your line. This is your line called OF is the perpendicular, and on the line, F is on the line as well as F is in the plane. F is also in the plane. If any point is in the plane, it should satisfy plane equation. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So now the foot is also on the plane, so it should satisfy what? Plane equation. So therefore, now substitute f is equal to 0 comma 3 lambda comma 4 lambda in plane equation. What is the equation of plane they gave in the problem? In the problem they gave plane as what? 3y plus 4z minus 6. So 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. Substitute it. X is not there, so this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is z coordinate. Y value is 3 lambda, so 3 times 3 lambda plus 4 times 4 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. 9 lambda plus 16 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. 9 plus 16, all of you know, 25 lambda is equal to 6, or lambda is exactly 6 by 25. So you got the value of lambda, but now we need foot of perpendicular. So therefore, coordinates of foot of perpendicular is a question. Coordinates of foot of perpendicular. So what are the coordinates? 0 comma 3 lambda comma 4 lambda. This is thing. So 0 comma 3 times lambda. What is lambda? 6 by 25, comma 4 lambda, 4 times 6 by 25. Simplify this, that is 0 comma 6 3 is 18 by 25, comma 24 by 25. This is the foot of perpendicular. So you got the foot of perpendicular. Then now in the following cases, find the foot of perpendicular, the other problem. So what is the first task? So I told you, so this is the geometry, no need of diagram to make you understand. So what is this? X axis, y axis and z axis. X axis, y axis, z axis. This is z axis and this is plane, and I need to draw foot of perpendicular. So from origin to the plane, say this is the perpendicular and f is the foot. Very clear, it is very clear. Foot lies on the line, foot lies on the plane. First our task is to get the equation of perpendicular called equation of OF. OF is a perpendicular. Perpendicular is also a what? Line segment. So first we will create equation of perpendicular. So now let me create equation of perpendicular. So here equation of perpendicular from origin is, what is equation of a line? X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. See here I need to substitute, that is x minus x1 is origin by a means quotient of x. Here a is quotient of the plane is 1, b is quotient of y 1, c is quotient of z 1, a, b, c are 1 each. So by 1, y minus 0 by 1, z minus 0 by 1. So x by 1, y by 1, z by 1 all are equal. This is the line equation, always equated to lambda. Now our task is to find the point. Point means what? Point on the line. So point on the line is what? X, y, z. So now I'll get that x, y, z. So equate x by 1 equal to lambda. If I equate, that implies x is lambda. Similarly, y by 1 equal to lambda, equate, y is lambda. And z by 1 equal to lambda, if I equate, z is lambda. It's easier. X, y, z all are lambda. Therefore, the point is point on the line is lambda comma lambda comma lambda, x comma y comma z all are same. And that point, if it is foot is a point on the line. Foot is a point on the line, and speciality is that lies on the line as well as this is on the line as well as it's in the plane as well as in the line. So now foot is equal to, foot is in the form f is equal to what? Lambda comma lambda comma lambda, lies on the plane, lie on the plane. So therefore you can substitute it in plane equation. In the plane equation, in the place of x, y, z, substitute. So what is the plane equation? What is the plane equation given? Plane is x plus y plus z equal to 1. So x plus y plus z equal to 1 is the plane. In the plane equation, in the place of x, y, z, put lambda. So put lambda, lambda plus lambda equal to 1. So 3 lambda equal to 1. Lambda is 1 by 3. So you got lambda. They are not interested in lambda. They want foot. So substitute it in foot of perpendicular. Therefore, coordinates of foot. So foot f is equal to, it's a point, lambda, 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 and all the lambdas are equal, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3. That's it. Because we got lambda as what? 1 by 3. So I hope all of you got this. So here they give lambda value, substitute it, and you will get the value. And the last problem, interesting. So again they want coordinates of foot of perpendicular. The game is same, 3 dimensions, and we have to take 3 dimensions, x axis, y axis, z axis. This is origin. From origin to the plane, I'll draw perpendicular. This is a plane, and I'm drawing perpendicular that touches at foot. So now I should create equation of OF. First, plane is, what is the standard equation of plane? Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Here a is 0 because x is not there. X quotient is 0, b is 5, and c is 0 again. So you got b value. Now write equation of, okay, here I'll write equation of perpendicular or line, perpendicular from where? Origin. 0, 0, 0 is x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Here a, b, c are x1 is 0, y minus y1 is also 0, z minus z1 is also 0. What are a, b, c? A, b, c are the direction ratios, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0. So equate it to what? Lambda. So now x by 0 equal to lambda gives x as what? Lambda into 0 is 0, and y minus 0 by 5 equal to lambda. If I equate y minus 0 is y equal to 5 lambda, you will get, and z minus 0, z by 0 equal to lambda, z is also 0. So you got the point. So any point on the line, therefore point on the line will be point on the perpendicular line. On the perpendicular will be in the form x comma y comma z. So that is, what is x value? 0. What is y value? 5 lambda. What is z value? 0. This is a point. And that point, if it is foot, it lies on what? Plane. So that is a point on the plane. So substitute in the plane equation. So now substitute substitute 0, 5 lambda 0 in plane. What is the plane equation? 5y plus 8 equal to 0. So now in the place of y, substitute. So 5 times 5 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. 25 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. So lambda is what? Minus 8 by 25. So solving this, you'll get lambda. Transfer 8 to that side, and dear students, you got lambda. Therefore foot of coordinates of foot, they want coordinates of foot of perpendicular is what we assumed. 0, 5 lambda 0, 0, 5 times lambda 0, that is 0. 5 times minus 8 by 25, 0. Further that becomes 0. 5 ones are 5 5s are minus 8 by 5, 0. This is the foot of perpendicular. So I need to substitute the value of lambda in the place of lambda. So I'll get this value. Now say we got the foot. So in all the problems, first we create equation of perpendicular. Perpendicular is a line. So line will be in what form? Perpendicular is a line. Therefore line will be in what form? In all the problems, line will be in Cartesian form. What is Cartesian equation of line? Passing through a point, x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Because they told perpendicular is drawn from origin, in the place of x1 we'll put 0, in the place of y1 we'll put 0, in the place of z1 we'll put 0, origin. And abc, how to get abc? Quotients of x, y, z. Here we don't have, see, here we don't have x, so quotients of x, y, z. Here we don't have x, so it is 0. Here we have y quotient is 5 and z quotient is 0. Then get the lambda value, and lambda gives you the point, and that point put that point in the plane, because you can observe in the diagram the foot of perpendicular lies on the line also, it lies on the plane also. It should satisfy both. From the line I created point, put that point in the plane and get lambda. After you get lambda, you'll get the foot of perpendicular. I hope all of you got the problems what I discussed. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.